Time news this evening. Opposition PNP continues to lack favor with Jamaicans, the latest in the RGR Gleaner Don Anderson polls. Parliamentary opposition questions government's expenditure to deal with COVID-19 if it reaches Jamaica. And
don't ask me to do the job and then tell me what to do it.
The agency in your department has scared the Auditor General.
Government MP objects to Finance Ministry's auditing of Auditor General's department. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, 1 week before the budget debate begins and the parliamentary opposition is amplifying calls for the government to roll back the GCT. And I'll have the details in the business day.
Okay, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Spencer, who'll tell us what's coming up in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, Jamaica's young reggae girls will be seeking to extend their stay at the Under-20 Championship in the Dom Rep. They go for a semi-final place come tomorrow. We'll tell you more about this in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's question: what are your views on the internal audit team of the Finance Ministry auditing the Auditor General's department?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.